Okay. Beep. Sir, is this all you're gonna get? Just toilet paper? This all you're gonna get, you know? Yeah, I know, but, the hell you talking about? Like, this is food. Like, the hell? Shit. Beep. Beep. No, sir. This ain't food. This is, toilet paper. We have some frozen food in aisle 7. Macaroni and cheese, you know? Look, I got a food manual right here, so let me try to get it. Sir, what is that? The hell you talking about, man? It's a food manual. It says here that you can make toilet paper out of brownies, and you can make chocolate covered, toilet paper. Beep. Okay. I think you're weird. Yeah, okay. Is that plastic straw? You stupid.